In the early 19th century, a visionary named Charles Babbage envisioned a machine that would forever change how calculations were performed. His dream culminated in the design of the Analytical Engine, a mechanical marvel that introduced the ideas of a programmable machine with a control unit and memory, what we now consider the fundamentals of a computer. The Analytical Engine, though never fully constructed during Babbage's lifetime, laid an essential foundation for the development of the modern computer. Despite the lack of technology to build it, Babbage's innovative concepts were later realized by pioneers like Alan Turing. Babbage's foresight was instrumental in shaping the future of computational science, paving the way for advancements we rely on today.